Hello everybody, just giving you a quick update. I am finished with the Brabham BT50. The kit went together really well. Other than the top part of the body doesn't really fit down very well. But it's not a big deal. I think I might display it without the body on anyway, like off to the side so everybody can see everything with it. That being said, let me kind of show you what I got here. So I set up Nelson Piquet more like he's turning into a left-hand corner. So that's why I got the wheels turned like this, although you can do them straight still. Also, the other thing that I set it up to do is I didn't glue him in here, and the steering wheel comes with him. So I can have the wheels straight with no driver figure in it, and it still looks fine. So, but let me get back to showing you this. Like I said, everything went together so well. It's amazing. This is the first Tamiya kit I've ever done, and they're well worth it, in my opinion. If you get a chance to build one, please do it, because they're amazing. Even with all the parts that this thing had and all the intricate little details, it still went together amazingly smooth. The windshield here, I just made out of some clear, blue clear film, 0.005 thickness. And what I did there is I just cut some out in kind of like a triangle-ish shape, and then just ran it in from the inside. That's how I did that. So, it worked out pretty good there. But yeah, all in all, I think it looks pretty good. I will have some final shots like usual at the end. And I thank y'all for watching. Next video will be Davey Allison's 1991 car. And I'll have a story to go with that. So, thank y'all for watching, and I'll see you next time.